have a recipe for this video. There will not be a recipe. Everything is just being done at the top of my head. So you can do similar or just wing it like I am. So as you can see here, I made a bacon weave. Some bacon, and I sprinkled some fresh rosemary on top of it. That's layer one. Next, I took a pork loin roast, cut it into a roll, like so. Okay. We are going to sprinkle some garlic powder. Some salt. Now, normally I would do things from scratch, but I didn't want to go through the effort today. So I've made some store-bought stuffing. Okay, I made it with a little bit of extra water. Just follow the instructions on the box, and we are going to basically stuff this pork roast. You probably already know where I'm going with this. I just quickly washed my hands. Now we are going to roll. Try to do it as tight as you can without pushing out any of the stuffing. Some may come out toward the end of it. That's okay. There's our roll. Swiss roll style. Next, I'm going to place it right here on the bacon. And then we're going to roll again. Okay, so as best as you can, tie around this way using some butcher's twine. Okay, once you have it tied up as best as you can, transfer it to a plate, put it into the fridge for a couple hours to let everything firm up. There's the roll. As you can see, I already put the little spit and forks into it. My weave job is still holding together. And now we're going to go from the plate to my power air fryer oven. There's a rotisserie setting on this. I'm going to see if I can do this with one hand. So, it's set in there. Now on my little air fryer thing, we'll set it. We're going to go on the rotisserie, turn on the light, and I'm actually going to put the temperature down to 350. And if we go down here, you can see it's slowly turning. While the pork roast, roll, whatever you want to call it, is in my air fryer or your rotisserie, whatever the case may be, we are going to work on the sides. So right now I'm just going to take some baby carrots, toss them into some boiling salted water. I'm going to bring that up to a boil. Leave them in there for about 2 minutes. We're just going to blanch them, and then we're going to put these into cold water to stop the cooking process. So it's been about 2 minutes. I'm going to scoop these out. And once it's back up to the boil like so, we're going to add the zucchini. The zucchini only goes in for maybe 20 seconds. In, do a count, 3. So again, same as before. Remove from the hot water, right into cold ice water. If not ice water, then really cold water. Alrighty, let's get the pork out of the air fryer. Okay, here it is. Now, I'm going to let this cool for a bit before I even think about touching any of that. And I'll take out the spit and forks momentarily, cut all the string, and cut into it. So, our carrots and zucchini are blanched. Pork roll is in the rotisserie, air fryer, whatever you want to call it. Now, we're going to take some cut up bacon. And we're going to render this down. Okay, so I removed the bacon, most of it. Move some of the fat. Some of you are going to think, oh, why the hell is he doing this? Well, I am. I'm adding a pat of butter, about 1 tablespoon. I'm just adding it for extra richness to the veggies. Okay, so spread it around. I'm going to take our carrots and zucchini, toss them in. Keep everything moving. Want at this point, oops, my sous chefs here are going to go nuts and just stir. Try to keep everything moving, brighten everything up. And this is basically done. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's cut into this. Of course. I'm gonna try a flat edge knife. There we go. So take this, put this down into the plate. Take some of these.